Today I'm in ikseondong. I'm gonna film a cafe / eating vlog. It's one of my favorite areas in Seoul. A lot of hanok vibes. It's all based like hanok village, but then there's like restaurants, cafes, and like stores. It's a really cute area. It's very crowded on the weekends, so I really highly recommend going on the weekdays. So right now I'm in my first cafe. I forgot what it's called, but I'll list it. And I'm just getting egg tart and iced cafe latte, my favorite drink. So when I was in Hong Kong, I used to have these egg tarts all the time. Everywhere. This is one of my favorite cafes in probably all of Seoul or Korea. Look, they have like different like brands. They also brand it as Cafe Layered and they're Cafe Highways, but like they're basically the same. But like the cakes and the scones are so good. So this cream latte is their signature latte. Every time I come here, I always get it. It's so good. It's like an iced spanner. It's good. I highly recommend it. Craving this. I usually hate cream, but this is something else. No. It's a bit dry though. No, this is way better with the cream or the icing. Oh no. Eating this scone is so messy. Sometimes like when I eat food and it's messy, it's a huge turn off for me. It says it's gonna rain today. I really hope it doesn't, but it's just really cloudy. So nice, they have water to keep you hydrated in this heat, and they have a fan too. I spoke too soon. It started raining now. excited because this is my first time here. Every time I try to come to this shabu place, so packed. Like, I think the wait time right now is about an hour or two, and it's on the weekday. I love veggies. I'm so excited to try. Just waiting for the pot to boil. It's boiling. Try this hot pot trick I see on TikTok. Ah. Okay, that was it kind of worked and kind of didn't work. Okay, so my mic got wet from the rain, that's why I'm doing a voice over here. But in this cafe, they're known for the strudels here, but to me it looks more like that French pastry called the millefeuille. I think I'm pronouncing that correctly. Blanket for when you get cold. Okay, I'm gonna end the vlog here because it's raining right now and I'm really full. I'm so full. But I hope you guys enjoyed this cafe vlogging in ikseondong, and check out my next video next time. Maybe it's gonna be a cafe vlog or day in a life or like what I do. We'll see. But if you have any requests, just recommend them down below. Bye!